Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Essence DIY Advent Calendar. It is this cutie pie here and the price of it is 20 euros. We have 24 products for the face and also our nails. They claim that the overall value is 60 euros. We're gonna check that at the end of this video and we're gonna give also some stars. In this one we also have some paper bags and stickers so we can do it ourselves. Before we start, share this video with a friend that likes Advent calendars and also subscribe for more unboxing videos. Unboxing time! This one is the Christmas countdown and this is how the box looks. Adorable. And oops, something is coming out. These are the beautiful stickers. The paper bags are big. Ooh. And as it seems, we have 4 different types of design for the paper bags. I think I'm gonna keep these and make some holes and also have some candles inside of them. The first product is these lashes, and these are the Lash On Lash Off Volumizing Magnetic Accent Lashes. I think I have tried these in a video. I didn't like them so much. In theory, these are perfect, but in action, it's not so easy to apply them. It takes more time to learn how to use these instead of regular lashes. Of course, you can try them and see for yourself if you like them. After that, oops, I think I got 2 products. You stay there. And we have here the Style Your Wing Cutout Eyeliner Tool. I think I have this again because I wanted to do a video with testing weird makeup products. I'm back! So I have exactly the same stencils. These are from the Advent Calendar. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a makeup tutorial with the products that we have in this Advent Calendar. And the other product that I picked up is this one here. It is the My Beauty Lip Ritual Step 2 Mask with Shea Butter. I actually have this again for a review. This is mine. This is Advent Calendars. This product is actually a part of a whole lip kit, so I'm guessing that we're gonna get also those because it doesn't make a lot of sense to just have this one. Let's continue. Ooh, oh, this is a palette, and this is the Follow Your Heart eyeshadow palette. I brought mine. I'm not gonna open the new one. This is actually one of my favorite palettes by Essence. I think it has everything that you need for a full face makeup look. And look at these pans, they are huge. We have a very nice selection of colors. For this one I have a review and a lot of makeup looks on my channel if you want to check them out. This palette is super gorgeous. I love the packaging. Let's continue with a lipstick, and this is something that I don't remember ever using. Is this a new product? This one is the Color Up Shine On in the shade 8 Flamingo Red. They also have exactly the same packaging for the Velvet Matte lipsticks. This is a Velvet Matte lipstick. Let's see the color that we got. Oh, it's gorgeous. The color is a little bit sheer. It's not exactly what you see, but it can be very wearable and you can use it just a little bit on the center of the lips. So far, we have only full-size products. I love that. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see any other Christmas-related videos. Water break. By the way, I have a paper bag on top of all of the products so I don't see them. Up next, we have a highlighter. This one is the Pure Nude Sun Lighter, and we have it in the shade 40 Be My Sunlight. Actually, I don't have this one, and this is one of the highlighters that a lot of you have recommended to me. Now I get it why so many of you like this highlighter. It is very soft and also natural. With this one you can give a very beautiful glow to your skin. And the next product is a nail polish, and this is the Glitter On Glitter Off Peel Off Nail Polish. We have it in the shade 3 Party Queen. This is with 2 coats and it is girly and festive at the same time. And moving on to a product that is a setting spray. This is the Prime & Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray. It has coconut water, it is moisturizing and energizing. I have never tried this before. It doesn't say if you can use this as a setting spray or maybe I missed it, but you can use it as a primer, so I'm not gonna try it on my face. And here we have a mascara. This is the Instant Volume Boost Mascara. It is smudge proof and the color is Intense Black. I have never tried this mascara. This one is for extreme volume, and we have an innovative fiber brush. So I'm curious, let's see what we have. I have never tried something like this one, and yeah, the bristles are so short. Maybe it works, you never know. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite mascara by Essence. And here we have the matte long lasting lip gloss in the shade 2 Beauty Approved. They also have the shine lip glosses that you can still find, and I love them. I have never tried this one, so let's see the color that we have. It was so tight. It has a nice caramelly flavor. Scent, not flavor. Oops, oh my god, it hurts my nose. Okay, all is good. That's a very pretty shade. You can also use it with the eyeshadow palette that we have, and it's gonna look very nice on a lot of different skin tones. And after that we have a blush. This one is the Matte Touch blush in the shade 10 Pitch Me Up. I think I have this. Just a sec. This is mine. It looks beaten up, and this is the new one. They are exactly in the same shade, but this one looks a little bit faded. Maybe they have improved the formula for this one here, so I'm going to swatch it. We also have a different stamp. This one is gonna be more visible on a lighter skin tones. It doesn't have a completely matte finish. It has just a little bit of sheen. Let's see what we have. This is the Glitter On, Glitter Off Peel Off Nail Polish, and we have it in the shade, oh, how can I read this? This is the shade 1, Put a Ring on It. Okay, so this one is also very festive, and I'm very curious if we can actually peel it off, so I'm gonna try it later. I touched somewhere. Moving on to this liquid eyeliner. This is the Super Last eyeliner in a matte black. I'm not gonna open the new one. With this product you have a felt tip applicator, but it is a little bit longer. It's not my favorite eyeliner by Essence, but it has a very nice dark black color. I feel that the eyeliner application is something very personal. It depends on what is easier for you to use. Product number 14 is the My Beauty Lip Ritual Step 3 Primer with Shea Butter and SPF 15. This one here is mine, and this is the new one. So I'm gonna show you this. The scent of it is very pleasant and light. You can use this one as a primer and also to protect your lips. So I'm guessing that we're gonna get all the products of this lip kit. And next we have the Plumping Nudes Lip Gloss in the shade 5 Bold Love. So I don't have this color here, but I have tried this formula again and it is amazing. It is one of my favorite lip glosses ever. This is a color that you can use for any eye look, and it is going to look fantastic on a lot of different complexions. Next, I think we have one more nail polish, and this is the Glow in the Dark top coat. Okay, and this is in the shade 36 Girl on the Moon. What exactly happens with this one? I'm super curious. It is looking very thick and yellowy, so now it looks like a regular top coat. I don't know if I can actually show you how it looks. Product number 17 here, and this is a Crystal Wet Look lip gloss in the shade 1 Bright Diamond. I have tried this in another shade, and this is a very nice lip gloss as well. I'm very excited about this one because you can use it on top of a lot of lipsticks. This one has like very fine pink micro glitter. It reminds me of a lip gloss that I have from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I'm very curious to see if we have a dupe here for a fraction of the price. Up next we have the My Beauty Lip Ritual Step 1 Peeling with Shea Butter. I have this again. This is mine, so let's open this. And this one is a lip scrub. So we have step 1, step 2 and step 3 here. Product 19 is flat. These are the bracelet nail stickers. Okay. These are self-adhesive nail stickers for creative nail styling. So I think these are gonna be very easy to apply them on my nails. So I'm gonna do a nail tutorial for these as well. Let's continue with the time to wake up. Face sheet mask. I'll be ready in 15 minutes. This is what we say. And this one is the hydration boost with soybean and baobab extracts. Oh, and this one can reduce visible signs of tiredness. I'm killing it. Fast food and party. Product 21. This is the Draw the Line Instant Color Lip Liner. This is in the shade 5. So ungrateful. Nice. And we have a twistable lip pencil on one side and also a sharpener on the other side. And you can always have a very thin tip. This one is a nice lip shade for fall and winter. And here we have a nail file. This is the sapphire file. This one is a metallic nail file with a beautiful design. Moving on to the push and clean rosewood sticks, and they are multi-benefit manicure tool. I actually use this all the time to clean the edges of my nail polish. The next product is very hidden. Let's continue with the short blender brush by Essence. I have used this again and again. I love Essence brushes, and we have it in this beautiful design. I have one here. I was using it before. This is like a tapered blending brush. It reminds a little bit the 217 brush by MAC. I have done a full review of Essence brushes. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. Moment of truth. I'm back with my notes. The variety of the products is not that bad. We got only full-size products. However, most of them are discontinued, and for this reason I'm gonna take away half a star. We also have 3 single-use products and 2 face products that are not inclusive for every skin tone, and for this reason it loses 1 more half a star. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4 stars, and the overall value for this one is 62 euros. This is a very nice gift idea. You can also buy it for yourself. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar. You can also find here some more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!